Good morning everyone, this is Peter Iosif, analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 14th of June. In yesterday's American session, the FOMC hiked its interest rate by 0.25%, reaching plus 2% as was expected. Also, the dot plot changed, implying that 2 more rate hikes could be expected in 2018. Overall, there was neutral to hawkish tone in the accompanying statement, and most of the Fed's anxieties were shrugged off. The USD strengthened upon the decision, however, relented most of the gains later on. On the other side of the Atlantic, ECB is to announce its interest rate decision today at 11:45 GMT time, and is widely expected to remain on hold at 0%. Market focus could shift to the accompanying statement, which may have a more hawkish tone, as the inflation rate has accelerated. It could also be the case that the bank could announce or imply that it will gradually end or taper its massive QE program. Should that be the case, we could see the common currency strengthening, as such a scenario may not have been totally priced in by the market. EUR/USD rose yesterday, approaching the 1.1820 resistance line within the boundaries of yesterday's mentioned sideways movement. We could see the pair continue to have some bullish tendencies, as the ECB interest rate decision and the following press conference could provide some support for the common currency. Should the pair find fresh buying orders along its path, we could see it breaking the 1.1820 resistance line and aim for the 1.1925 resistance hurdle. Should the pair come under selling interest, we could see it clearly breaking the lower boundary of its sideways movement, also breaking the 1.1725 support line and aim for the 1.1640 support barrier. Further to the east, Bank of Japan is to announce its interest rate decision tomorrow during the Asian session, and is widely expected to remain on hold at minus 0.1%. Currently, JPY OIS imply a probability for the bank to remain on hold of 95.75%. If the bank remains on hold, we could see the market turning its attention to the accompanying statement, which could have a neutral to dovish tone due to the recent lukewarm financial data. Should that be the case, we could see the JPY weakening against its major counterparts. Due to today's ECB interest rate decision and tomorrow's BOJ interest rate decision, Euro-JPY could be the pair in focus. Yesterday, Euro-Yen rose slightly, nearing the 130.60 resistance line. The pair's price action seems to be forming a triangle, where the upward trend line incepted since the 29th of May and the 130.27 level. The pair could break the 130.27 level, aiming as well as the 130.60 resistance level, aiming for the 131.35 resistance zone. Fundamentally, the arguments for such a scenario can be located in the possibility for the ECB meeting strengthening the euro, while on the other hand, tomorrow's BOJ meeting could weaken the JPY. Should the bears take over, we could see the pair breaking the pre-mentioned upward trend line and the 129.50 support line, aiming for the 128.60 support level. In today's other economic highlights, in the European session from Germany and France, we get the final HICP rates. From the UK, we get the retail sales growth rate for May. In the American session, the US retail sales data for May are to be released. For more information, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Peter Iosif from IronFX, wishing you solid trading.